Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial we'll talk about this amazing Apex injector. It's created by Repo, it's undetectable and safe to use. So today I'm gonna show you how to download it, how to use it and to play with it. So as I already said, it's created by Repo, and big shout out to him for creating this hack. So without further ado, let's proceed with the tutorial. And guys, I'm back. So guys, I'm really sorry I didn't upload this video before even I said I will. I got some problems, and also my last video is deleted because I showed some gameplay of hack in the video, so they copyright claimed it, but I hope that will not happen with this one. The first thing you wanna do is to click in the link in the pinned comment. So just click here on this green download button and you will be redirected to the website that looks like this. If you get any error of a virus or something, you can just probably click on the arrow and click keep, or in some cases you have to go and turn off your antivirus, but if you don't want to do that, then just skip this video. I'm not gonna turn it off because it usually is not needed, but if it is, you have to turn it off. And then you will download this little setup. Through this setup you can extract this hack. You just need to double tap it and follow the instructions like next, finish. It's very simple, and you will get all this file on your desktop that I already have. I already did it, so I'm not gonna do it again. And it has to be this way so it can get protected and to stay undetected. So that's why it has to go through installer. It's a really quick process. And now when you get it, you will have the folder on your desktop like I have. And this folder will say Repo Apex Injector. And you will get these files. So guys, now we have to copy all these files into Apex Legends directory folder. So you cannot run this injector from here, from this folder. You have to copy all files to the game folder. I already did it, but I'm gonna do it again and overwrite all files so you can see how to do it. You can find your directory folder at your local disk and in the Steam folder, and all these injector files will be pasted right here. I already did it, so I'm just gonna click on replace file. And now guys, you can click on Repo Apex Injector. I recommend you to run it through administrator, so you will not get any bugs or problems. And now we have Repo Apex Injector that looks like this. So I'm gonna talk again when I'm in the game. So guys, I'm now in game. So as you can see, there is no injector at this moment, and we have to click on the button on our keyboard so injector can appear. That's home button. Just click it and injector will appear. As you can see, injector appeared. So here we have many options, and I'm gonna get through some of them, like player USB, item USB, aimbot, smooth, fast shooting, no reload. So I'm gonna activate player USB option so I can see players through objects. Also I'm gonna activate aimbot so I can aim better, and I highly recommend you guys, if you use aimbot, you have to turn on smooth options. That's option that makes the aimbot looks like the actual game, gives it smoothing so it doesn't look fake. And also, if you are using aimbot, even this hack is completely undetectable. You should use it carefully, because if someone reports you and they manually watch, they can detect it. So try to use it not obvious, and be careful. Also you can here use the scale for your FOV and player speed, jump 8. I'm gonna just increase it slightly so it's not much visible, but it will give me some advantage in the game. And these settings works good for me. So just click apply and wait for a couple of seconds. Also guys, I found many more complicated injectors with many options, but from my experience the most of them just gives some stuff that actually doesn't work and are making all this more complicated. This injector has all options that are actually needed for you, so I chose it and I hope you will like it. And when you get this success message, you can then close this injector. It's not needed to be open anymore, and I'll be back when I'm actually in the match to show you some gameplay. So guys, I played the match, but for some reasons my audio did not record. I don't know why, so I'm just gonna talk over my gameplay, and as you can see, everything works pretty well. As I already told you, everything is good. I'm playing, and I hope you like this video. If it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Also, I want to say to you again, please be careful when you are using this. If you use it obviously, of course you are gonna be detected. Hack is not detectable, but if you use it obviously, somebody will report you and you will be banned. And also that will increase chances of this injector to be detected, and it will stop working for other players. So I'm gonna do my best to update it regularly, but you should also try to be as much careful as you can be for all of us. So again, the download link is in description, and I hope I will be able to create more videos soon about other games. If you have any recommendations, please comment down below, write me the next game I should make AIMBOT tutorial about, and yeah, that's it. Goodbye.
You're being aimed at.